For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Around 12 hospitals have been chosen for Bharat Biotech's Covaxin clinical trials. Samples of the vaccine are still undergoing quality and safety tests at a government facility. Officials from the government facility have said that the vaccine will be ready for trials by the end of next week. The tests, which began last Friday, are expected to be completed by the end of next week and cannot be rushed, as they are expected to ensure the vaccines are safe to use in humans. 3 hospitals are awaiting the ethics committee to approve enrolling of participants for human trials. AIIMS in Delhi, SRM Hospital and Research Center in Kanchipuram, and King George Hospital in Visakhapatnam will be the first 3 hospitals to start clinical trials. Other selected hospitals are waiting for clearance to ensure that facilities in the hospital are ready for clinical trials. More hospitals will start clinical trials once they receive vaccine stock from Bharat Biotech. Bharat Biotech will start producing the vaccine in bulk once it gets clearance from Central Drugs Laboratory. One of the doctors from a selected hospital said that several volunteers are ready for clinical trials. We have several volunteers, but paperwork on the government's end is pending. The sponsor Bharat Biotech has not yet sent us vaccines. Hospitals have already started shortlisting volunteers for clinical trials. Blood and urine samples of shortlisted volunteers will be sent to the central laboratory to check if the volunteer is ready for clinical trial. As per Indian and international protocols, it takes 14 days to check if the new vaccine is safe to inject to participants. After CDL gives clearance certificate, Bharat Biotech will ship vaccines to selected hospitals. One of the doctors from AIIMS has said that clinical trials will begin from the 3rd week of this month.
I believe by the middle of the 3rd week of this month, we will be able to start. Everything is going as per our expectations. You cannot do phase 1 and 2 together. Phase 1 is the safety trial. First, you have to establish the safety of the vaccine among the human population. We will move as per our protocol based on the ethics committee's approval.
The president of Indian Society of Clinical Research has said there was urgency for vaccine, but it is important to produce quality vaccines.
Whoever does whatever in the race, we should make sure that we always have things of quality in compliance with guidelines and regulations. That is going to be because patient safety is of paramount importance. There is a need for speed, no doubt, but our quality and scrutiny for science should be upheld in what we do.
ICMR had earlier faced flack after it had set August 15 as the deadline for COVID-19 vaccine. ICMR later clarified that it was not pressuring for faster clinical trials.